Hi, it's Paul here from HairWeavon. I wanted to show you what a typical hair system might look like when it's made for you. This is what a typical hair system looks like. Because it's natural hair, it moves and it feels just like your own. It's already matched up to the color. And don't forget, it's growing straight out as if from the scalp, so it looks seamless and undetectable. We leave the length long on the hair system on purpose, because when it comes to fitting it, we can cut it and style it so any partings are achievable, any styles are achievable, because we leave the length in it so it can be cut and blended into your own hair, so you have the perfect haircut. In terms of the bonding of the hair system to your scalp, we use either adhesive or tape or a combination of both to make sure that we securely attach and bond the hair system to the scalp, so you feel confident at all times. When it comes to refusion, cleaning, it's easily done with our release spray. We can remove the hair system, we can shave the area again if necessary, and rebond it for you nice, clean and fresh. So in terms of hair replacement, this is it. Your hair system on the day of fitting is cut, styled, bonded securely, and we create the perfect look, the perfect haircut, polished, natural and undetectable, just for you. So if you're experiencing problems with hair loss, partial hair loss or balding, we at HairWeavon can help create the perfect hair system for you. We're always here to help and guide you with your concerns and create the best hair replacement system for you.